vaso is used for?
Drink.
Drinking. A beer. How about a jacket?
No.
Jacket is used for? Jacket is used for?
Dress.
Huh?
Jacket.
Dress. It's used for?
Dress.
But also, when do you use a jacket? You use a jacket when it's
Sabi.
Dress.
dress. How about a car? A car is used for
Driving.
driving. How about a house?
Room.
Room. Oh, very good. How about a knife? A knife is used for
Hand.
hand. What will you do if you're hungry?
Food.
Eat food. Very good.
Sit down.
What will you do if you're tired?
Boy.
If you're
Rest.
tired, rest. Very good. What will you do if you feel cold? You use a,
Hop.
huh? If it's cold in the snow, you will use
Neck. Dress.
dress. What kind of dress?
Hat.
Hat. What else?
Poop. Hat.
Gloves. What
Gloves.
else? When it's cold, you use a.
What's this?
What's it?
What do
A
you
what?
use?
Murag na siya idea.
Glasses.
Glasses. What about if it's raining? You will use
Fire.
payong. Very good. What will you do if you're supposed to ride the bus but you got left behind? Nabiyaan ka.
Stop.
Stop the bus. Maliksan ka lang, ha? How about, what will you do if you feel sad and lonely?
Happy.
How will you be happy?
Freya.
Freya daw.
Freya, young friend.
Friend.
Okay. What will you do if you're on your way to school?